Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying your Android and assets so tracking works. Install Vtube Studio and grant camera, microphone, and storage permissions so the app can access your model and feed. Once done, place your live 2D files in an easy folder or cloud and verify file names match the model JSON. Make sure your device meets minimum specs. Low CPU causes dropped frames, and close background apps to free RAM before launching Vtube Studio. You now import and configure. This is the critical middle step. Tap Import Model and choose the Model 3. JSON, the app will auto-link. Mach 3 and texture files if they share names. Next, choose face tracking via front camera or external USB/OTG camera, then tweak sensitivity and smoothing sliders to balance responsiveness versus jitter. Practice short calibration movements, nod, smile, blink, and save that calibration as a profile so you avoid repeating setup each session. You finish by enabling output and testing everything before a live session. Turn on virtual camera or configure RTMP with your stream key. Set resolution and FPS to match your platform. Map frequently used expressions and test audio lip sync with a short recording. If tracking fails, try this one key troubleshooting tip. Toggle camera permissions, restart the app, and switch camera exposure or lighting. Poor lighting is the most common issue. Finally, save profiles and backups so you're ready next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.